Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Michael's, a little small haul from Michael's and from Dollar Tree. So I just dropped my bag from Dollar Tree. I got these two rolls, and it says banner art paper. So I just use it to put on my desk right here. One is more of a brick, and this is more of a wood grain with streaks of red in it. I don't know, I'm gonna cut this light off. Yes, my desk is junky. Got a lot going on. But anyway, so that's those two rows. So, and the dimensions on this is 28 by 6. Now, also they have vinyl. So if you want to try the vinyl with the Cricut, you can do that as well. So they have the vinyl for the books and stuff, book covers and stuff. It's in vinyl. The roll's right near it. And it's a, I've seen it in some stores in the school supplies section and also in the gift wrapping section. So, but look for they have vinyl, and they also have material. So, for quilting, I guess. So, be looking for that. See if your Dollar Tree has it. Oh, one other thing about the Dollar Tree. I know I had mentioned that the guy told me, the manager from Tuesday morning had told me that they were having some financial problems at the Dollar Tree. Well, I did happen to see, which is ironic. It was either on my birthday or on Thanksgiving, one of those Thursdays. And the CEO was saying that they did some kind of test or whatever with the Dollar Trees that have upgraded their stores, and they're going to upgrade 1,000 more because those couple stores, I guess, helped with their sagging economy or whatever. So they're supposed to upgrade 1,000 more stores. I don't know if that means the art craft aisle or not, or what, but they were talking about renovating 1,000 more Dollar Trees to kind of get them out of their sinking hole. But apparently they're doing a little bit better now that some of the tariffs have been lifted, I think, with China or something. But anyway, nonetheless, whatever is going on with them, they still here, and we still gonna take advantage of Dollar Tree while they're here. So I did get a conference book. This is just to put some of my YouTube goals in here for 2019. And then I got, I hate the size on these, but I needed some glue dots real quick, and these were a 1/2 inch, and it's 36 in here, which I know you've seen those at the Dollar Tree. I did get some more of the bling, only because it goes in and out, in and out. They don't always have it, so I figured I might as well get it while they have it. And so this is the bling adhesive diamond wrap, and that was in the blue, the gold, the pink, and in the clear. So you can cut these in strips. You can put these around a candle, decorate for, you know, an occasion or something like that, or just set, you know, your table settings. You can put this bling strip on a card, on an ATC, an iCAD, a Rolodex, any kind of thing that you use paper that you need bling. But it does come, and if you look at it, it's mesh. So you do see the mesh in it. So it's not individual pieces that you can cut out. I mean, you could, though, and cut the strings off. You can do that, because I've done it in a pinch. But this is more or less when you really want some strips. But these add nice decorative to your background. Also, I did pick up another one of the small ring sets, and this is a 10-pack, and these are inch each. And some mechanical pencils, 5-pack. And then, last but not least, I got these little stickers, and I like them because they were dimensional. So this one says fresh on these bottles. So it's nice little dimensional bottles. And then these, I guess they're ornaments because of the bobble on top. I'm going to say ornaments. And then these would be like a Coca-Cola bottle. Any kind of soda. It also reminds me of those ones, those wax ones when you were a kid, and you bite the top and drink that little teeny bit of liquid out of them. I don't even know if they still make those. And then this is really the ones I wanted, was these perfume ones right here. I thought these were so cute, and some have love on it, best wishes, and some other scribbles that I can't read at the moment. I don't know if you can see that, but I thought these perfume bottles were really, really cute. Sorry about the glare, they're still in the package. And then last but not least, these ball mason jars. So those are what I got from the Dollar Tree. And then I just went over, didn't really do any shopping, have been out of Michael's, haven't really spent any time in there. But I did get this on clearance, and this was just a little holster that you can sit on your table, and it can hold things like hot glue gun, even if it's heated, you know, up to 400 degrees. So this is on clearance for $7.97, and it was 20 bucks. I wouldn't have paid 20 bucks anyway, but. And then I picked up 2 calendars, one for my daughter, one for myself. And I'm gonna ask my oldest son if he wants one. My middle son, he's the one, he ain't doing a calendar, but my middle son is pretty organized. I might ask him if he wants one. My middle son could benefit from one, but he doesn't like being confined like that, so he'll feel like it's confining. Mine is a faith one. This was the first one I saw, and I grabbed it. So this has a little pouch. It says Faith, Hope, and Love. 12-month planner. Of course, it has your stickers. So it's primarily purple and your pink and green kind of colors. Pastel-y. This is Bible study and pray. It's got your little pocket, you know, and this is spiral bound. So the way this one's set up, you have your month at a glance. You put your numbers in, so this calendar is not dated. So it's not a 2019 calendar. It doesn't have a date. And then it has the week at a glance, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3. You know, the days divided into 2 sections versus 3. So I'm trying a different one. This one at the top, you know, you can write your daily verse, and then you can do scripture study. You can, I guess, color off. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Bibles. I guess for 5 different verses or whatever, or chapters or whatever that you're reading for that day. And then your observations, and then what you pray for. And this week I'm grateful for, and then self-improvement, and you can put your goals and check them off. So I got this. I read the Bible every year from cover to cover. I love doing that. I'm telling you, you will learn so much more. And I only do King James because the other Bibles are not always authentic. People don't understand what it means with translation and how they translate the Bible. So that's why I stay away from other Bibles. Some of them are okay, but most of them have some errors in it. I mean, major errors, doctrinal errors. And it can get you off course. But anyway, I read the Bible in chronological order from Genesis to Revelation, even though Job is the first book of the Bible, not Genesis. The first book that was written was Job, not Genesis. But anyway, I do it's basically 3 chapters a day. You can finish the whole Bible in a year, which really only takes maybe 15 minutes at the longest, 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how you read. And on the chapters, some chapters are a little bit more intense to read. But I read it through every single year. That's something I've been doing for a long time, and I love doing that. And even though I do that every year, I still totally get a different, fresh perspective. So has that, and has pages for notes and thoughts. So I wish I could add to it, which I do have a cinch, so I may add some pages, you know, although my cinch doesn't punch holes that close, I don't think. But that's the only disadvantage of this particular calendar. So I haven't written in it. I just got it today, so I'm going to check another Michael's before I consider that my final one. But it probably still will be, because I want one to just deal with faith, but I may make my own. I picked this one up. This one is also undated, but it's a 12-month as well. And this is a gold one, and I got this for my daughter. So again, you have your little pouch. And this is about setting goals. So your motivation for the year, staying motivated, which I like these pages as well. Then it has up here, you know, short-term goals, deadlines, mini rewards, long-term goals. You got to do a description, again, deadline and mini rewards, and you can check them off as you meet them. Vision boards in here. What else? Goals by the month, so you can see at a year what your goals are and glance at them. And then your bucket list, some stickers, well done stickers, way to go, some achievement stuff, a little pocket right here again too. So then you have each month, you know, you could do the same thing here, you know, what you do in the first things, morning, afternoon, evening, and before bed, your motivation routine. And then your days of the week are like this, split up. So you have Monday through Sunday written that way. Then you have the other 3 little events that you can check off, or morning, noon, and night, whatever you want to divide it up. Your task, and, you know, check off if you completed them. And then that was another page in here, like for you to comment on your goals at the end of the month. Okay. So yeah, at the end of the month, you can do your goal tracker. You can track off if you met all your goals for the month on each day. So I picked it up for her and she liked it, so yay. So anyway, that was my haul. And I'm telling you, I really wanted to be a planner, but you know, it's my plan for this year. It is difficult. So I think, like, I can put stickers on it, but to write down what I did on the days, it's hard to do that consistently for me. Even though I like it, I like the way it looks. I find it challenging. So I don't know. I really wanted a faith one with these prongs. So I'm gonna go back. I'm probably gonna go to Hobby Lobby and see what they have. And before I decide if I'm gonna keep this one from Michael's for me, but I'm pretty sure she likes hers, so she's gonna keep hers. Before I rather this, I'm gonna check out Hobby Lobby and see what they have, and then I'll make my final decision. Anyway, check out my video in reference to my giveaway for my birthday challenge, which is going to end January the 14th and running the whole month of December. So it is a red challenge, so this could be, you know, a memory dex card, red, black, white, gray, silver, or gold, any one of those 6 colors or a combination thereof. So go out to that channel and see what the gifts I'm giving away. Tim Holtz platform and diamond dots and stamps and die set and some other stuff. So, and I will be adding more to it. But anyway, so go check that out, and hopefully you'll be able to participate. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.